Hey guys, Stephen Pilos here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Aries rocker steps, and with Aries we have Keith. How you doing, Keith?
Doing great. Yourself?
I am doing fantastic.
Excellent.
So Keith, tell us more about this product, how it's made, what the coverage is. I mean, give us the full details here.
Well, what we've done with the Aries product line is we wanted to bring something really unique to the industry. So we did that with our rocker step. Our rocker step is a heavy-duty steel construction, 3-inch platform, open as far as the grading on the top, so it allows any dirt and debris to fall through as well.
Yep.
We also have a nice powder coat finish on this. Not only is it a powder coat, but it's a texture powder coat, so it gives you a little more grip on the step when you're stepping on.
And scratch resistance too.
And scratch resistance as well. On the end caps, we also place the end caps down too, that it will help also eliminate some of the mud debris that's going to kind of pop up and get onto the step, so it's always giving you a clean step. One thing to note though is this is a rocker step. It is not a rock slider.
Right.
When we talk about a rock slider, we're talking about a product that you're able to drag it over the rocks. This isn't the design of this product. This product is designed to tuck up nice and tight into the rocker panel, give you a good steady platform, as well as give you some side protection as well. Now this is a one-piece construction, so what's really unique about that is the bracket's already pre-attached, preset. All you have to do is take them out of the box, line them up, and they're good to go.
Right. And the other thing that I like about that one-piece design is that you mount in one area, so there's not 2 points that could potentially fail. Not that this ever will,
correct,
but that just makes this a much more rigid and sturdy design, which is always a great thing.
Yes, it is.
Another thing about this being that nice rocker step is the fact that you get so much more clearance when you compare it to a drop step. So a really great benefit there too.
Yes, it is.
Now, Keith, tell us more about the warranty that you offer, and maybe some difficulty as far as how hard this is going to be to install, maybe some time as well.
We're looking as far as warranty on this is going to be a limited lifetime warranty with a 3-year on the finish as well. Any manufacturer defects, welds cracking, or anything along that line are going to be covered up to 1 year as well. The difficulty on installing this, it's really simplistic.
It is.
If the Jeep that you have already has a rocker guard on it, those are easily removed. This bolts up right into its place. The weld nuts are already included in the rocker panel on the underside of the bed, the underside of the body. If it doesn't have one on there, we include the hardware so that you're able to attach it. As far as installing this goes, you're really looking at about a 15 to a 20-minute install. For somebody that's turned wrenches for quite a while. If it's just like a DIY guy, kind of you or I, and we've got with very minimum wrenches with some hand tools, you're probably looking at 30 to 45 minutes. If you are removing the other rocker off, of course, you're going to have to add about 15 minutes to that process as well. But a very simplistic design. It's actually probably going to take you longer to get it out of the box to put it onto the vehicle than it is to put it on, get it all set and go. But overall, fantastic product, very clean, very sleek, and it really enhances the look of the vehicle as well. Now this particular Jeep here has Aries front bumpers and rear bumpers, and this really ties the whole package together.
Definitely does.
Now the other cool thing about this step is we've had so much success with it that we have launched this into multiple other pickups. So these designs are available for almost every major vehicle manufacturer out there as a step that they can do. And it's also all one piece so that they're easy to bolt up on those vehicles as well.
That's fantastic. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the Aries rocker steps. If you have any questions for Keith or myself, leave those in the comments below. If you want any more details about the product, like a part number or to find a dealer locator to make your purchase or installation happen, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there. Now, before we go, Keith, thanks again for coming today.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thanks again. Now, guys at home, if you liked the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.